Third quarter moon happening September 17th at 5:52 p.m. We're going to make a verbena tea, which is very light and soothing. It's a great tea to have in the evening. It helps with digestion, helps heal sore throats. It's a natural sedative, which helps you sleep in a deeper sleep. And we're going to add a bunch of fresh mint or peppermint, whatever you have in your garden. And that helps relieve pain from headaches and gives really nice fresh breath. We're going to let that steep for about 10 to 15 minutes with 32 ounces of simmered water. And the last quarter moon in Gemini helps us unclutter our minds to have clearness, especially with the new moon coming in the following week. While we're waiting, I decided to shuffle the oracle deck to see what affirmation comes out for us today. These affirmations are really positive and just help give you a positive attitude for the rest of the day. We received Bamboo Moon, which basically summed up talks about there are no mistakes, that everything happens for a reason. We may not know why, but they usually happen in our favor. The information for that is in the box below. So you can click down below and read the full description. This tea has such a pretty color. It's got a yellow greenish color, and it's a great tea to have after dinner. Helps promote sleep. Reminds me of a green tea without the caffeine. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Grazie, amore and luce, until our next moon cycle, and we'll make a nice tea then. Take care.